Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn. Now, well, I'm going to be drawing the winner today for these chocolates. Morden's of Winnipeg. Hubby had given me some chocolates for, I guess for Halloween, I don't know. But anyway, there were a couple of eyes, so I grabbed a couple of eyes there. So I'll link that video below if you haven't seen it. And there was a giveaway in that I didn't announce in the title. So I decided to grab these as well, assorted chocolates. These are always so good, and you get to try different chocolates. So this is what the winner will get. Oh, and by the way, the flavor in the eyeballs is sour raspberry ganache. Yeah, it was really good. All right, so let's go to the computer and draw our winner. Okay, I have the YouTube random comment picker set up. Let's grab the comments. Unique comments was 60. Let's go over to start the raffle. Let's see who the winner is. Nana Mama Cat? Okay, she had to say something specific. I love your eyes. That was it. Even though it's white chocolate, they did a great job on making the blue pupils on those candy eyeballs. Thank you, Darla. And is it going to take me to her comment here? Thank you, Darla, and blessings to you. Well, blessings to you too, and congratulations, you won the chocolate. Congratulations. You have 5 days to contact me via my email address below. Please send me your mailing address. And if you're outside of Canada, I will need your phone number for the pesky custom forms. And then I'll send your parcel out to you. And I hope you enjoy these chocolates. Congratulations again. I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.